You always get worked up with this cosplay stuff. You look ridiculous. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Frankie, this is my better half, Peter, and this is Two Guys, One Tin. So, Peter, what classic drink are we going to make today?
Glad you asked. Kahlua, Baileys, and whipped cream. I give you a blowjob!
Dude, you're serious? Why don't we keep it professional and make a gimlet?
Another scurvy killer, real original.
The gimlet is a cocktail made of gin and lime juice. A 1928 description of the drink was gin and a spot of lime. Description in the 1953 Raymond Chandler novel The Long Goodbye stated that the real gimlet is half gin and half Roses Lime Juice Cordial, nothing else.
You're no fun.
What are you doing? No. You forfeited your possibility for the coin toss with this ridiculous outfit. Get out of my work. The name Gimlet comes from the unsatisfied Rear-Admiral Thomas Desmond Gimlet. While I'm sure officers of the Navy would have loved the blowjob from time to time, they had to settle for a more useful remedy to fight infections. The doctor administered gin with lime to mask the bitter taste. There's also another story including the Roses Lime Cordial launched by Lauclan Rose in 1867. It was the first fruit concentrate, and soon it was declared in law that all vessels should carry lime juice and/or cordial and serve it as a daily ration to their crews. If you think about it, without these seadogs, the world's cocktail books would be a lot thinner.
It wasn't all a dream for Balázs Molnár to perfect his own version of the gimlet. Luckily, he wasn't satisfied with just making gin and juice. Running straight home into the warm and welcoming arms of COVID, Balázs's occasional gimlet, aka the OG, is standing on the summit of cocktails in the Pink Pony Club, right underneath the legendary boutique bar. Just like many of us who ever tasted Roses Lime Cordial, he thought this drink deserves a better backbone. His cordial combines lemon and grapefruit oleosaccharum with green apple juice. To do this, peel 1 lemon and 1 grapefruit and add your sugar. Exact measurements are found in the description as always. Muddle the sugar into the peels and let it work its magic. Add your green apple juice and bring the mixture to a light simmer. Once all the sugar is dissolved, turn off the heat, let it cool, and strain. This refreshing bittersweet cordial gives you the possibility for a drink that never goes out of season. Hungary, known for its amazing wineries, and to play homage, Balázs uses a local verjus, which is a highly acidic condiment made from unripe grapes, to balance out the flavors. Even though it's a drink served straight up, a hand-carved sphere ice never hurts. It will keep the drink icy cold without any major dilution. We are certain that Biggie would have approved.
Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for watching Two Guys, One Tin, episode about the gimlet. The twist recipe was submitted by Balázs Molnár, owner of the Pink Pony Club, right under the 5th Best Alumni Boutique Bar in Budapest.
Balázs, just like myself, spent the past decade traveling the world. He worked at some of the most esteemed bars, like the Artesian Bar in the Langham Hotel, Lobster Bar in Hong Kong, and maybe Sammy in Australia before the prodigal son returned back home and opened up his dream bar, BBC. Sorry, PPC.
Don't forget to subscribe. If you got to subscribe, then don't forget to subscribe again.
And also subscribe and leave a comment and press the like button. And
subscribe and
like.
One
more thing, right?
Yeah,
subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. Thanks for watching.